So where are we heading to, Roger?
Venford Reservoir.
Sorry?
Venford
Reservoir.
To try and seek out the secret little double waterfall.
The little double waterfall. Yeah. So that's the mission. Venford Reservoir, and to seek out the hidden magical waterfall. Sorry, double waterfall. And we are heading towards Haytor. Anything profound to say, Roger?
Look at the ponies.
Yeah, ponies. Pony alert. Yeah, where did they get that silly little hat from, by the way? Sorry.
Mum or Dad's hat.
It's your mum and dad's hat.
Mum or Dad's hat.
It's very nice.
I know, prepared.
You do look a bit simple in it, Roger, I'm afraid to tell you.
Yeah, there's Haytor, that's what you need to film. You never know, we might bump into Simon Reeves.
Oh yeah. Would you ask for his autograph?
Oh, no. Just tell him what a good job he's doing.
I scream we've been on the road for at least 2 minutes, that we deserve one. You've just accused me of being a sheepist. Explain to me what a sheepist is.
But you don't... You're sheepist. You don't want to film the sheep because they're less important.
Less important than what?
Ponies. I bet if it was one of the long-haired horned cattle you'd be filming it.
Yeah, that's a bit more exciting than a common sheep. If you find a sheep, I'll video him. So I don't want to be accused of being a sheepist.
I will seek out a sheep for you to film.
What would you prefer to have, a lamb or a dog?
Oh.
Cute dog with a neckerchief.
Oh, yeah. I might be persuaded more for the dog.
You surprised me.
If it was a goat, I'd go for the goat.
Me and you in a few years.
Yeah.
Why do old people seem to wear stripy tops? What's
They
that
have
about?
stripy tops on.
Lots of old people seem to wear stripy tops. The church. Let's just get this on camera. You want me to film what?
Well, all the lovely people leave out their goods that they've homemade outside their little houses.
Yeah.
So we don't often get any. So I think we should stop, buy and try. And review their lovely food.
And we are going to benefit. How?
Well, we'll have extra marmalade for our toast. You can have more omelettes.
Sounds like a plan.
They get a little bit more pocket money. Right.
I've got a better idea.
Turn it off.
Why don't we just stop, take one, and take the cash too?
No. There we go. Homemade jams and chutneys.
Don't like chutney, so I'll give that one a miss.
And she's got some chilli jam. I like chilli jam. Lemon curd.
Lemon curd?
Yeah.
Well, I'll have a jar of that.
Right, so they're £2 each. So let me just pull over a bit safely. Hello. Oh, I was going to try and pull in a bit safer.
Oh, stay where you are. I'll serve you through the window.
Oh, isn't that
Thank you.
fantastic. Well, I've got to find some change, but we were...
We have change if you don't.
let's have a look what I've got
It's generally in the
pocket.
door pocket.
Yeah.
Parking
Right.
money.
Oh, there we go.
Can I have a lemon curd, please? That looks lovely.
And a chilli jam, please.
Chili jam. It's fairly sweet, the chili jam, and it has that sort of after kick of chili.
Oh, wonderful.
Thank you very much indeed.
Thank you, that's lovely. Thanks.
Can we bring it back if we don't like it?
Well, you can bring the empty jar.
Actually, I could do that for you and I'll leave them there.
That's very kind of you.
All
It's
right.
not necessary, but most appreciated.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Not
Thank
at all.
you.
Enjoy.
Thank
We
you
will.
very
And
much.
keep safe.
Yeah.
We'll,
Jabs yet?
we'll stick a review on TripAdvisor for you. Do you tell me the history of the standing stone?
I'll tell you another day.
No, tell me now.
No, another day.
I want to know now.
No, lots of better things. need to move on.
I don't think you know the history of the Standing Stone, do you? I think you're talking shite.
It's like the Kingstone.
The Kingstone.
Yeah, it's like that one in Oxfordshire.
And what's the history of the Kingstone? You don't know that either, do
The
you?
witches turned him to stone, and then all his men are in a circle across the road. Lovely little stone circle. Really lovely. And you get jays there, little jay birds. We've got the Pixie's Holt in a minute.
Pixie's
There we
Holt.
go, Pixie's Holt, Outdoor Learning Centre, and then we've got the Pixie Kingdom, I think, coming up.
What's that all about?
It's a little place where all the pixies and gnomes hang out, I believe. Is it up there? I think it is.
So pixies and gnomes exist?
At this place they do.
Okay.
Here. There we go, Pixie Land. See? Lots of pixies there.
I thought they were just mythical figures, but obviously I was wrong.
Well, I know fairies exist.
Tombstone. Okay.
Yeah. Oh.
You know, you were slagging me off about having labels on my
Oh, what?
trousers. Do you want to have a look at your hat? Take your hat off.
Oh, is it still? Oh, well, it isn't Mum and Dad's then. Oh, I must have bought this one. It's not their old one. Oh, I must have bought this one. There's a little fold-up one then. Okay.
You do look ridiculous, by the way.
Film the box.
You think we should have brought some ropes for safety? It's a good, what, 20 metres up?
Oh, I want to go around them too.
Well, I want to climb it. Climbing moves, Roger. Make me look impressive.
What, from the top?
Now I'm going to climb the other one. This one's a good 15 metres, so it's highly dangerous. It takes years of specialised training and climbing to get this up here. I'm not back by tea time. Get the search party out.
Amazing stuff. Woohoo!
I'm duffed, innit?
I might need to hand up.
Do I look manly? There's a nice friendly warning here, Archer.
Oh, what's it say?
Yeah. Dogs worrying sheep may be shot. Bit extreme.
I've obviously had a few incidents.
Imagine coming up here with your dog. Some hairy horse farmer shoots it. How old do you think he is?
No, I can see. Oh, it might be this bit, right in the point of it.
Oh well, we'll have a little walk
Your
around.
research is crap.
Thanks. Your hat's crap.
No, it's not though. It's very useful. It folds up into my backpack.
Why do I always end up carrying your shit?
Because you're the man. It helps sometimes.
You know what you remind me of, Roger? You know, like a mother or a dad takes a little kid out on the bike, and then the kid, after about 30 seconds, gets bored of the bike because it's too much like hard work, and then the parents have got to end up carrying the bike all the way.
Yeah.
That's what it's going out with you's like.
So you must get a lot of pleasure out of it.
Have you got anything to say on that?
Yeah, you must get a lot of pleasure out of it. Having my company to carry my bag for me.
I'll have to get back to you on the pleasure bit. Right. Your camera you're whinging about. You paid over £2,000 for that. Have you read the manual yet?
Yes.
After 6 months of ownership?
Yes, but I've got a
No,
lot
you
to
haven't.
say. I've got a lot to say.
You have not read the manual.
Yeah.
And you whinge on about the settings.
No, I'm just saying there's something not quite right about
Yeah,
it.
it's the operator,
Look,
mate.
It's not. I know how to use a camera.
Well,
Thank you.
well, why are you whinging about it?
You just carry on. I just seem to remember your camera didn't work about 5 minutes ago.
It's working now.
Did you whinge?
You know the way you've got that hat? You know who you look like now?
What, Benny Hill?
No.
Come.
Captain Pugwash used to have a hat like that, didn't he?
Oh, Captain Pugwash. I don't think we're allowed to watch Captain Pugwash anymore.
Why?
I think it's politically incorrect.
Seaman Staines.
Oh, could be.
And Master Bates.
Oh, I trust you to know that. Is that why?
Archer, I've found your secret waterfall. Are you going to give me the apology that I didn't find the waterfalls?
No, because this isn't a double waterfall.
It is a double waterfall. 1, 2, 1. Right, Archer, interesting fact.
That brownie red over there,
Yeah.
reaching in, is most likely iron.
Yeah?
Yeah, reaching in over there by the side of the waterfall. And over there, you can see it.
Always a fascinating experience with Archer. Right.
So what? They're not what you suggested. Dead caterpillars. Can you remember what they are?
Give me a clue.
Well, cat is part of the word.
Catkins.
Yes. What tree do they come from? Different ones.
The catkin tree.
No. What was the tree on that other walk where my feet were tortured?
Catkin maximus tree.
No. Have a think. Oh, look, Fab.
What is he?
He might be a coach horse beetle. I don't know.
Do you think he bites?
They put their tails up like scorpions if he is a goat. Oh, look, he's fantastic, isn't he?
You found any more dog poo?
Down there. I just don't think it's fair that while I'm fiddling with my exposure, you drank all the coffee.
I do apologise. There's a tiny bit left for you. I mean, we're talking there.
Well, it's not even worth me. There we go.
How much did you pay for that tripod? Was it like 50p from Poundland? Oh shit, Roger.
Right. I think
That's going to topple over.
I don't think it was strong enough. I just want a nice little one. Yeah, see, it'll fall. I just want a little one. It's no good.
What a shitty drive. Do you know you've got a hole?
No. Go away. No.
Do you know you've got a hole in your trousers?
Back off.
Roger.
Back off. Yes, I sewed one up and then whoopee, another one appears. Back off.
You're an embarrassment to go out with. Right, you've asked me to video or take a picture of this. Why? What's interesting about it?
1600s. It was used in tin mining. to thrash the ore. And the tin mine is up in those hills where you wouldn't let me walk to, which you said would be a walk for another day.
That's a fascinating fact. You do look insane in that one.
No one's supposed to see me in it.
The whole of YouTube's going to see you.
No, I don't want it on.
You're going to be You're going to be a YouTube legend.
There's no need for it. Every time we go for a walk, I don't want to start being filmed. Thank you.
You know that man who just said hello to you? He had an extra sort of grin on his face, like you look special in that hat.
Come on.
Just saying. Less lichen?
Yeah.
Does that mean it's a bit shit?
No. It's just not as well established, I should think, not as old.
Yeah, it's nice. Tell me one interesting fact about lichen.
They have a symbiotic relationship. There you go.
What's symbiotic?
Two organisms work together to get what they want.
So this walk, it's coming out of Venford Reservoir. I think we've kind of got it a bit wrong, but it doesn't matter. But we're in the Dart Valley Nature Reserve. So if you're ever down this way, well worth a visit. Stunning walk, not too difficult. A little bit hilly here and there, but yeah, very nice indeed. So a moment of tranquility, time to reflect. And it's nice, really nice down here. Peaceful, beautiful. What more could you want? Right, in 30 seconds. No, serious question. How's a crystal formed? You've got your geology degree. Come on.
It depends what environment it's in. Some form in caves and some form in lava, in volcanoes and to grow bigger. So these granite rocks, you see, some have got big crystals and some have got small crystals.
Can you walk through that mud for get some good footage?
No.
Please.
I could show you my levitate on mud trick.
Go on, Roger. It'll be spectacular.
Why don't you show me how it's done?
Do you want to be a YouTube star or not?
Show me how
you
it's
need
done.
to do stuff like that.
I'm tired. Show me how it's done.
No, you do it. You're more lightweight than me. Well, sort of.
No. I'm worn out.
This is going to ruin the video.
There's a lovely little bird there. Did you see that? That's my hat.
So you've ruined the footage, Roger.
Where's my hat? Oh, Roger.
You lost your hat. Roger's lost her hat, so we'll see if I can find it. I've spotted it.
You should see the gentleman going back.
It looks like a doggy bag.
Oh.
Do you think the dogs might have just done a little poo in it while we were looking?
I needed an extra bit of walk there. Oh.
You could probably leave it there for a week or two. Nobody would pinch it, Roger. It might get kicked into the leaves. That's about it. This gorse, it's one of the few things I can identify. I'd certainly recommend sniffing it. Yeah, next time you're out in the woods, see some gorse, have a sniff. Caramel to me. A little bit of caramel. It's lovely.
could be useful.
I think we could do with it on our toilet because we keep blocking it.
Not we. There's no we about it.
Do you think one of my big boys will go down that?
They look like one of your big boys. That's one of your number 2s, isn't it?
Bit rude. You'll not be a YouTube star, Archie, if you stop being rude.
Every day I write the list of reasons why I still believe they do exist. 1,000 beautiful things. And even though it's hard to see, the glass is full and not half empty. 1,000 beautiful things. So light me up like the sun, to cool down with your rain. I never want to close my eyes again. Never close my eyes. Never close my eyes. I thank you for the air to breathe, the heart to beat, the eyes to see again. 1,000 beautiful things.
You look tired, Archie.
Alright, I am. I'm cream crackered.
Do you think you'll ever climb Mount Everest or not?
No, I don't want to actually. Thank you.
What, bit shit?